Every day, how much home can I afford is typed into thousands of search bars by thousands of curious Americans. Maybe you're one of them. If so, you're in the right place because you've found BuyAbility, your customized, fully comprehensive answer to that burning question. BuyAbility is a super helpful tool powered by Zillow Home Loans, a trusted lender that shows you the homes you can afford in real time based on your personal finances and live interest rates. Want to know yours? Then follow me! First, click into a listing you love on the Zillow app. Now swipe up right here to reveal the facts and features for the listing. Then scroll down to BuyAbility Payment and click Customize this payment. This is where we get to the good stuff. Input your location, credit score, annual income, the money you've saved for a down payment, well done, and any monthly debts you may have such as student loans or car payments, etc. If you don't have these exact numbers now, don't worry, you can input a rough estimate and update them later on. So, okay, have you filled out your boxes? Fantastic. It's time to get your BuyAbility. Look! Zillow Home Loans, a direct lender, is using today's interest rates along with the info you just entered to calculate your BuyAbility right now. Exciting! And here it is! Okay, so what you'll see is a big number in this lovely dark green, and that is your target price, which is exactly what it sounds like, your suggested home budget based on your financial situation and current interest rates. You'll also be provided with your max home price. This amount will probably be a little outside your comfort zone. You can think of max price as a short way of saying max amount you may be approved for by Zillow Home Loans. So, in our example, the info we provided resulted in a $303,000 target price. So now, our buyer can hunt for homes around that price. Once they're ready to get that pre-approval, they could be pre-approved by Zillow Home Loans closer to that max $423,000. On this screen, you can also adjust your target payment right here in this box. You'll be given a starting point for a monthly payment, but you're able to get in there and adjust it based on what you're comfortable with. So, let's say you have $18,000 for a down payment, but don't want to pay any more than $2,500 a month. Your BuyAbility will reflect that and break your costs down like so. Principal and interest make up the majority of it, but BuyAbility also factors in taxes, insurance, and private mortgage insurance. So now that you have your BuyAbility, what comes next? A super customized, super helpful home search experience. Now when you scroll through available homes on the app, properties within your BuyAbility will have this little green badge on them that says Within BuyAbility. These are properties you could realistically finance with a mortgage. Sometimes you may notice that a home within your BuyAbility is the exact same price as a home that isn't within your BuyAbility. We haven't made a mistake, I promise. That might happen because of differences in property taxes, HOA fees, and insurance for different locations. Your filter experience just got a whole lot more custom too. Now, rather than just setting a filter for minimum and maximum home price, you can filter using your BuyAbility, either by your target price or your max price, so that only homes below that price show up. You can either search within your BuyAbility by listing price or by monthly payment. Wondering what these little mountains are? That indicates inventory, so you can see how many homes are available in your search area within your BuyAbility at any time. And don't worry, you don't have to fill this out every time you sign into Zillow to browse through homes, because Zillow saves your BuyAbility and updates it automatically with any changes in the market. So when interest rates drop, your BuyAbility goes up. No need to even open the app to check it daily, because we'll notify you when your BuyAbility changes. If you allow us to, which you totally should. You should also know you can edit your info at any time. If you've saved up a bit more for that down payment, or if your credit score has recently received a boost, go in there and update them, and your BuyAbility will reflect those changes. When you're ready to take things to the next level, you can easily start your pre-qualification process with Zillow Home Loans right here in the app. What a smooth transition from exploring to buying! I hope this little tour helped you fall madly in love with BuyAbility, and that now you know which dream homes are well within your reach. If you want to know more, check out the links in the description box below. Thank you for watching!